Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install RPCS3 Emulator on PC. So let's start. So first, let's go to the port that says rpc.com, and here you can find the emulator for your PC, and you can find here the requirements for the PC. So you can check if your PC is good for the RPC3 emulator. Here scroll down and you will find PC requirements. Here they recommend CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, or OS. So this is the requirements, and also you can check here the minimum. So then when you check everything, you can start downloading it, and then when you download it, you can start install it on your PC. Here you can find it. You can find the download for x64, and then this download to your computer without any problem, and then you can installing it for your PC. So guys, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.